So one of the quickest and easiest ways to brighten up shadows or brighten up a picture in Photoshop 2026 is to go ahead and open up Photoshop, of course, and pull up some layers. So now that we have this layer pulled up, now we'll head on over to channels after we selected that layer, of course. Now we'll go ahead and hit Control. Make sure that little square marching ants is selected here, and we'll go ahead and click on that. So now we have our brights selected here. Let's go ahead and go back to layers. Now we need to flip that or invert that to start carrying the darks instead of carrying the light. So what we can do here, let's just go ahead and hit Control, Shift, and I, and that inverts for us holding the darks. And then what we'll do here is we need to make a copy of that to put on top this Megan layer here. So we'll hit Control J, and that creates us a copy. Now, in order to check our work, we can go ahead and click off here. They say, okay, this is darks are selected. That's pretty good. But now we have a couple more steps here. Let's go to normal. Let's change that to overlay. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's change that to screen. Perfect. We're actually done. But to add a little bit of flavor to it or add some what they call sauce, let's go ahead and team curves here. Let's go down to the curves and curves adjustment layer. We can do one of two things. We can grab this little hand here and click down or up, or we can take a point right here and go ahead and add her color back and add just a little bit of flavor back to the photo. And it's just like that. And that's one of the quickest and easiest ways to brighten shadows or brighten images in Photoshop 2026.